Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is creativity. The difficult words are used in this episode, or let us know the words first, so that episode will be easy to comprehend. Okay? Perspiration means dampness. Simmer means temperature below boiling point. Similes mean comparisons. Metaphor means symbolic representation. Now coming to the topic, creativity. What is creativity? Let us know. Creativity is 10% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Perspiration means dampness. Creative process is of two phases. One, exploration. In the exploration phase, you generate and manipulate new ideas. You bring unrelated material together, make fresh connections, and look for unusual patterns. You imagine and ideas simmer in the back of your mind. Number two, application. In the application stage, you judge and implement your ideas. You determine whether the idea meets your criteria. You launch the idea into action. Okay? Students, during the generation stage, you widen your thinking, and during application phase, you narrow your thinking. The two phases are complementary. Creativity is at the heart of intelligence. Some psychologists say that creativity is nothing more than innovative problem solving. Creativity involves having an idea yourself rather than borrowing it from someone else. You witness the birth of the idea in your mind. Creativity is the remarkable quality which makes us innovative and thoughtful. You have to look beyond the first right answer, make connections, use metaphors. Metaphors are symbolic representations. Similes are comparisons. Use metaphors, similes, and analogies to generate new ideas. Take creative risks. If you want original idea, you need to do something different. Creative ideas can appear any time, any place, in the shower, over lunch, or when you awake in the morning. Often they disappear just as quickly as they appear. Jot down those ideas as and when they appear. They pop up in our mind. Okay? Looking beyond the first answer. Don't stop at the first idea. Keep looking. Make connections. Look for things to connect with your idea. Creativity is like baking a cake. Creativity is like making love. Creativity is like sharpening an axe. Use similes and metaphors to make connections in your mind. Imagine that your mind is like huge library, and that your memories, experiences, and ideas are the classics, romances, science texts, plays, and comedies that stack the shelves. This is the episode on creativity. Let us do some practicals now. Okay. Practical 1. What was the last creative idea that you had? Practical 2. When was the last time you put a creative idea into action? Practical 3. How would you redesign a human body? Practical 4. Water is to a ship as dash is to a business. That dash you need to fill. Okay? And that is the end of the lecture. Thank you. Carpe diem.